You cannot trust yourself if you keep abandoning yourself. A client told me, Coach, I always regret my choice. And then I asked, are those your real choice or the choice you think will impress people? Hmm. Self trust is not confidence. Self trust is consistency between what you feel and what you do. Try this hand on chest. Let's do some practice. Hand on chest. Inhale for count. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Exhale 6 count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And then whisper, I choose. What chooses me? Comment your 3-word trust signal. And full guide on YouTube, Soul Voice Energy. If you're on remote session, contact me anytime. My WhatsApp number is on video description. Self-trust is the bridge between knowing and becoming. You already know what's right for you, but do you follow it? Do you stay loyal to the truth you feel in your body? Most people don't have clarity problem. They have courage problem. And courage is simply self-trust in action. Hand on chest. Inhale 4 count. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Exhale 6 count. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, quietly ask your body, do I keep my promise to myself? Notice what happens. Does your breath soften or does it hesitate? Your nervous system remember every betrayal, not betrayal from other, but the one you did to your own soul. Self-trust is not about always being right. Self-trust is about always being true. The mind asks, what if this goes wrong? The soul asks, what if this is who I am? Self-trust means choosing who you are instead of what they want. Sometimes a client always asks. Once a client always asks, is this decision good? Should I say yes? Or should I say no? I told them, you are not asking for guidance. You are asking for permission. They cry. Because when you don't trust yourself, every direction feels dangerous. And every doubt feels smarter than truth. Self-trust is sacred. Before you were born, you made a contract with your own soul. I will listen when you call. Every time you ignore that call, your spirit become quiet. Every time you honor it, your spirit become loud. Self-trust is remembering your original agreement. On video 54 is about alignment, knowing your way. On video 55 is about self-trust, working your way. And 60 and 56 is about boundaries, protecting your way. Alignment is self-trust. Self-trust is protection. This is how identity become destiny. We are building you from the inside out. Sometimes I just say, stop overthinking. Okay, but let me overthink the idea of not overthinking. Overthinking is just fear with master degree. Self-trust is simplicity with a backbone. Your body always know before the story forms. Jaw relaxes, it say yes. Chest compresses, it say no. Breathe stop, it stop. Exhale deepen, safe. Your body is not emotional, it's ancient. It's made from the same intelligence that move the tide and grow forest. Trust that. Someone said, I did everything right. Good school, good job, good plan, but I feel dead inside. Huh? Dead. I said, because the world chose this life for you and you agreed. Success means nothing if it requires self-abandonment. Let's do some practice. Sit tall and on chest, inhale for count. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Exhale, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Do it 8 times, 8 cycles. Now remember a moment you betray your truth, not to blame yourself, but to understand the cause. Now remember a moment you honor your truth. Feel how your heart become a sunrise. And then whisper your soul line. I stay loyal to the truth inside me. And then say your 7 word policy. My action protect what my soul know. Breathe again. Let your nervous system record this. Every time you choose yourself, your soul stamp your identity. Every time you choose yourself, your soul stamp your identity. This is who we are now. Every time you shrink, your soul whisper, we can do better. Self-trust grows when self-betrayal becoming boring. A man stay in job that drain him daily. Why don't you leave? I asked. He said, what if I fail? 3 years later, he had a panic attack in the restaurant. That was his body saying, if you don't jump, I will push. Finally, he left. 1 year later, he built his own practice. He told me, the moment I jumped, the ground rose to catch me. The universe reward, self-authorized move. That's what we call the universe reward is self-authorized move. Just say softly, I choose what chooses me. Again, I follow what feels like home in my chest. Self-trust begin. The day you stop apologizing for your truth. Self-trust begin the day you stop apologizing for your truth. On this video, I tell you about how to build self-trust. It's about stop abandoning yourself. You already know what's true. Now learn to honor it. Self-trust is identity in motion. In this video, I reveal you how to stop self-betrayal, how breathe signal real intuition, how to choose what truly chooses you, and then 3 transformations story. This is a guide for empath, creator, and anyone rebuilding confidence from the soul outward. Just comment your 3 word self signal below. If you want remote session, contact me anytime. My WhatsApp number is on video description. Soul Voice Energy, notice first, believe later. Your body already trusts you. Now, it's your turn. Tell me a story.